Savage.
We front run Santa.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, boys.
Ho ho ho! Merry Merry Christmas, boys.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You see, Christmas primary colors are green and red. We need a bit more green because so far all we have is red.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah.
I mean, I closed my long position a little bit too early. But sorry, my short position a bit too early. But it was a great short position. Fantastic short position.
Come here in a bit
History.
left.
Let's go. Let's go.
Sir.
All right.
All right, boys. Welcome. This is Project. What's it called?
Turn your screen off.
My screen just went off. Project Front Run Santa. As promised, we're gonna be doing the giveaways for this live stream. So wait towards the end. We'll do the giveaway for the 26K funded accounts of Klein Funding. Okay. In the end, we'll do that. So many things to cover, but let's just chill. Let's just yap in this live stream because it's the end of the year.
Well, for Ron, this is his last stream before before closing out and enjoying his time on the beach. So I'll be taking over on the main box mining channel.
Okay.
Alright. We'll be doing the trades. We'll be looking at the very volatile markets.
Yep.
We'll be trading with size for no reason.
You?
We'll be checking Super Fortune beforehand to make sure the fortune aligns with where we're going. But right now, not so great.
Not so great right now.
So yeah, I guess let's just take a quick look at the markets. I won't join for too long, but I want to just say hi to everyone. And guys, if you guys have not joined us on our Discord channel, we are popping off. Everything is going to be done on Discord. We're posting all our trades, our views, multiple viewpoints from multiple people. Show them, Ron.
Yep.
Yeah. Like,
which one?
The Discord. But that's where, Discord Santa. And Santa's gonna be there. Santa's gonna always be there. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas. He's gonna be throwing some Bitcoin around.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's lots of fun. Lots of fun to be.
And it's great that we have this Discord startup because, over the past 2 years, let's take some time to reflect. Because I remember the start of my YouTube career.
Let me post a win. Let me post my trade win first. Let me post my trade win yesterday.
In Discord? Perma Bull Box Mining?
Perma not so bull box mining. This one.
Defash is here. J2.
What's up? But I closed it too early. I guess I closed it. I was a little bit greedy. It met my target. But I guess it's just no harm in that. And then I went from short to long, and I'm a little bit too early on the long. So we'll see. We'll see about that.
We'll see about that. J2 says, hope some alts can get a rally to new all-time in Q1.
Ooh, yeah, man. Alts are pretty beat up. But that being said, it's a great time to pick up some discounts.
Yeah. How much more of a discount will the market give us, though?
A lot. Christmas discounts are always the best. Boxing Day is a really big holiday in certain parts of the world.
Yeah.
Canada.
Actually, speaking of that, I want to see how did BTC do last Christmas. I gave you my heart.
The pump right started after December
this
year. Oh, hey, it was pretty good last year, actually. Yeah.
Today is December 16th. So
when was the big pump? Oh, okay. All right.
Big pump on December 16th.
Yeah.
And then December 18th went from 106
to big dump.
92K.
Oh.
And then look at that.
It was a very, but you have to remember it popped off right before here, right? So we're not history is not repeating itself at all.
Yeah, that's
right.
True.
if you reverse this, if you invert it a little bit, then that looks like the markets. If you invert this a little bit.
Actually, to be fair,
there we go. See. There we go. Does that work?
That's where we're at.
That's where we're at. Before the
This is what we want.
Yeah, this is what we want. This is what we want. Yeah.
Just before New Year, that's what we want.
The New Year celebrations. But we're here, boys. It's not nice, but hey, you know what? It's about surviving. You know, now it's you know, you don't want to hear these words, but it's about surviving.
How you holding up though? You alright?
Indifferent. I feel like it's so hard to make content now because like, you know, we're just waiting, right? And you have a certain thesis. So my thesis is that I don't believe the 4-year cycle theory.
Me too.
I don't believe in purely looking into the past. But it will take some time to see. We'll have to see 2025 if we open to a strong year. This year we're closing at a weak year, but that's not the end of the world.
You know, that actually means a lot from you saying that you don't believe in the 4-year cycle anymore. Because boys, let me tell you how Michael is like. All right, Michael is like, shut the fuck up! Don't need to reinvent the wheel. Just do what works. And there's this.
Let's stick to the 4-year cycle.
Just stick to the 4-year cycle. Don't reinvent the wheel.
Look, you
so
know,
it means a lot when Michael is saying this. It's time to break out of the wheel.
Yeah, Bitcoin's like a, you know, like it's like a woman, but you know, every 4 years she gets a period, and you know, a little bit of red on the markets is pretty normal.
Yeah. This time it's menopause.
Yeah, that's the. But you know, guys, like honestly, in all seriousness, obviously, like obviously it's great to look in the past, and I think everyone's stuck in the like everyone either tuned out or like they got shocked into looking into the past. But I feel like that's not how the markets should be played. I mean, be intelligent here, you know, like don't be stupid. Like if you really believe in a cycle and you get shaken out here, like Jesus fucking Christ, like you just lost out on your major gains, you know. I feel like that's why most people, even when Bitcoin hit all-time highs, people were like, oh my god, I don't have any Bitcoin. And like, well, you bought Bitcoin before. If you bought Bitcoin at any point of time in the past, you know, when we reach all-time high, you'll be profitable. But nope, you know, they probably sold the top, bought the top, bought the top, sold the bottom. You know, that's what they always say. That's what people end up always doing. So, and on that note as well, there's a lot of trading insights, how to deal with the psychology of winning and losing the trade, and that's one of the hardest parts of trading, I feel like. So that's what we set up the channel to do, like just kind of like share our intel, share some thoughts, flex a little bit, you know. I gotta flex a little bit, right? Old man Michael's gotta have some winnings. But you know, and it's just good to talk about it. I mean, this guy was flexing, so I had to. But Ben showed me us what's up. He had a bigger number. Yeah. Oh, did he get a bigger number? Was his number bigger? This is what you shouldn't do in trading, okay? That's definitely not what you should be doing. You should not be looking at how big the numbers are, but rather building the community. So guys, come in. You gotta see what's up. But I do feel like we're on the oversold side of the range. Yeah. So that's why I did create the long. It's just for a short-term trade.
You know what's even funnier? You know who's Il Capo?
Yeah,
the king of bears.
Yeah.
Even he says, you know, it looks like a bear trap.
Yeah, a little bit.
Even he is sussed out, right? Like
everyone's talking about the same thing. We're getting bored of it, right? Like the 4-year narrative, everything like that. It's boring now. Like let's figure out how to really trade and win, man. That's not, you know, like let's really front run Santa.
Yeah.
So, but it is, you know, it's not a. I don't know. I'm not gonna blab too much here, but it's not that hard to fight. Just that most people don't want to fight. But you know,
you guys still fighting?
Nah.
Let me you guys know.
Note's fighting. Note's fighting.
J2's fighting. Zeno's fighting.
Oh yeah. Yeah. We got good people here.
How about Depash? Project Matrix. Y'all still fighting?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me make the green a little bit bigger.
Make the green a little bit bigger.
Who's got a green lightsaber? I can borrow.
Yoda?
Master
Yoda?
Yeah, Master Yoda.
Oh, you mean like... I thought you were talking about Star Wars.
Green, you'll say. Coming soon, says I. Horrible Yoda.
Yeah.
Okay, so should we look at the markets? Anything interesting happening there? Like, what's the news front? Anything that's non-retarded? Look how much AI generation.
Oh, wait, this is for the year. 2 seconds. Hold up. Check the daily. It still looks the same. Oh no.
No, it's good I'm Chinese. We love the red. Super Fortune says
This is a lot of fortune, bro.
I was playing Super Fortune today.
What's that?
It's you know Kenny,
Yeah.
Manta Kenny. He made an app called Super Fortune where it reads the Chinese fortune. Like this is what we've come into crypto. You know, before we were trying to change the financial system. Now we're reading fortune to tell us where we're going.
Yeah.
But I was reading my fortune.
Uh,
My fortune says only go for short trades. Don't go for long trades. Yeah.
are you in?
Yeah, I'm in a, no, I'm not asking a short. I got the time frame.
Oh.
Yeah, don't look at
It'd
long
be funny
time
if you
frame.
misinterpreted.
Look, if you want to play, you gotta play shorts. You gotta play short term.
Okay.
So you know, instead of looking at the 1 hour, I switched to 15 minutes.
Oh, look at you adapting to my style now.
Yeah,
you
yeah,
go
yeah,
to the
yeah,
1
yeah,
minute.
Yeah. Right for prosperity. We gotta charge up the chi, the prosperity chi. You know, welcome in. You know, let's make that let's make our let's turn off the green. The green.
You want more red?
Yeah, we want more red. We want more red. You know. Yeah. I'll whack Ron in the head with this. Oh, this actually does look like a lightsaber.
Yeah, it does.
Oh shit. Sorry, this is how much entertainment I bring onto this stuff. Oh, this is pretty cool, you know? Yeah, there.
Make my light. I mean,
Yeah,
make my water.
let's
green.
bless this water. Let's drink it. Let's give you this green water.
I get cancer next year.
Yeah.
Yo, Sam's here. That looks like a new name. What's up? Welcome.
Hey, welcome to our small irrelevant stream. Let's
Come Discord, Sam.
Oh
if you're
shit!
not,
Turn to the dark side. All right.
Ooh.
Oh shit!
look at that.
Shit. Wait, that's pretty cool.
Pretty good.
I'm be a Star Wars kid. Oh, I'm touching the lightsaber.
Multi-millionaire, by the way.
You shouldn't do that. You shouldn't do that. Should only be
Multi-millionaire, by the way.
Let me play with my lightsaber. Shut the fuck up. It is pretty cool. Yeah, can get a funded account. Yeah, absolutely, Sam. Get a funded account. You get a funded account. You get a funded account.
You get a funded account.
Do the survey first, though.
Do the survey.
Do the survey. Do the
Oh,
survey.
yeah.
Do the survey.
How are we gonna do this though? We're supposed to have Martin do this, but
Martin
Martin
took a
is
day off.
gone.
It's we'll write it down. We'll write it down. Okay,
We'll write it down. Okay,
you
so
get a one. Like, just make sure. Just open a support ticket.
Yeah.
You know.
Open a support
Yeah,
ticket.
yeah. That's smart. See, that's 2,000 IQ. Someone's gonna answer it.
Hold on. Wait. The survey is in. Where the fuck is this?
This VIP promotion. Yeah, you were there. You were right. You're right. It was VIP promotion. VIP promotion.
Which
There we
one?
go. And then here. And then here.
This is the VIP one.
Yeah. And then.
But we have another survey,
yeah,
right?
Christmas event.
Announcement.
Christmas event.
Here. Announcement.
Okay, here.
Alright,
This
boys.
is why no one's answering this. Can we just put this on pinned comments?
Let's
You
pin
know,
this one.
is yeah. there we
Alright,
go.
let's pin this one.
Alright.
Boys, do this survey, okay?
Yeah.
And then I'll just pick 20.
Okay.
I'll pick-
Cool.
I'll
Fun
pick
did. And then you can just like go YOLO short and YOLO long, right? And then like you don't have to care about too much, right? Like
Yeah.
well, but you should be a good trader though. You should be a good trader. Ask
Hell yeah.
AI how to be a good trader.
No, don't do that.
Yeah. Well, no.
Do you do that?
No.
You see?
No. I'm already a good trader. I'm the one who trains AI. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I'm like, yeah, and I need a second opinion here. And AI is like, you're absolutely right. You should drink sodium bromide.
What is that? That's sodium bromide.
Oh, stupid story about AI. So, some idiot thought it would be healthy to get the chloride out of his body.
Okay.
He thought that there's too much sodium. He read the news. There's too much sodium in our diets, but he was like, oh, it's not the sodium, it's the chloride. Right? Chloride sounds scary. So he said, you know what? It's probably the chlorides that's wrong. So he asked OpenAI to say, hey, you know what? How do I not have so much chloride? So they recommended bromide.
Okay.
Okay, so he ordered a bunch of bromide on Amazon, and he sprinkled it all over his food. He's like happily eating it, and like looking.
That's toxic, right?
Dude, it's super toxic. And he went into full psychosis. He's just like, he started seeing like shapes come out of nowhere. He started seeing red candles when there weren't any red candles, and he almost killed himself.
Oh my.
He went to
Lord.
hospital, and he's like fully on Delulu state. It's like that's the problem with AI. Like most people, I feel like don't know how to use AI. Like AI, you use it and it's just a bounce idea, but you never you shouldn't really fully trust it. Like, you need to go back and Google again to double check. But like, it saves you the initial research, but it's not like, you need to know when it's gaslighting you. And like, sometimes you can tell. It's like working with a pathological liar, right? You know this guy can do research for you, but this guy's also a pathological liar. So like, you just gotta be aware.
Yeah.
Right? Most people are not trained to be aware.
They just take it what it is.
Yeah, it's like, hey, why don't you drink this? And
bromide.
Go figure it out. It's like AI sending us on human experiments.
Note says Michael learning too much chemistry. This guy's PhD. He's a biochemist.
Bioinorganic chemist. Yeah. I worked with arsenic before. Yeah, there we go. Horrible chemistry. Yeah, I could have killed myself. That's why I'm here. Decided not to kill myself.
So you came to crypto.
Yeah,
Kill
to make
yourself
money. I'm like, yeah.
Even slowly.
Yeah, if I had to kill myself, I'd rather kill myself slowly and then make money in the process.
Okay.
Right? Rather than like kill myself quickly and write
I
a
don't say
paper.
that too much because YouTube algo.
Okay. Sorry. Please like our streams, guys. We're just being chilling here. Please like our streams. Yeah. Where's La Boo Boo? We gotta do some cool things.
Oh, it's in the office.
Yeah.
I mean, on my desk.
Oh, your desk. You're hoarding the La Boo Boo.
No, you put it there.
Alright.
Yeah. Boys. Okay. Yeah, no juice box. I don't know. I feel really ill. Really sick. Like, I feel like throwing up again. The lure deepens.
I know La Boo Boos are a little bit out of fashion in Asia, but this is a green candle La Boo Boo. This is the only bit of green we'll see all day. It's the green La Boo Boo.
Is this worth millions of dollars?
Fuck yeah.
Actually?
It's a gift. Yeah.
Really?
No, it's not a gift.
Liar. Pathological liar.
Of course not. Take all the props away after the stream. But you can't believe that it is, right? It's believable.
Yeah, I mean, the Lubu market, right? It was billions of dollars.
What was this originally inside? I wonder. Like, this is like a... Oh, it's not bad.
Where'd you get it?
I have it. It's mine. My precious.
Our
precious. All right, guys. By the way, trade on BingX. BingX is giving out a huge giveaway. So even if you just trade 5K on BingX, you get $200 of trial credit, and then you can really quickly just like convert that into real non-trial credit because if you're smart about it, you can hedge that.
Exactly.
So a 5K trade volume gets you 200, and this is for new signups. Where if you sign up previously, we'll get you that as well. 1.2 mil gets you 800 trial credit. 50 mil gets you 5,000. So this is actually a really good offer right now. Actually, literally, if you want to trade 5K, you can just
If you want to get 5K.
If you want to get even 2K, even if you want to get 5K trade volume, that's really easy because you can just 10x it. You can just use $500 and trade it. Just make one trade and you're
then
pretty
hedge the same position on another exchange.
You don't have to, or you don't have to hedge. Okay, you don't just teach. Okay, yeah.
Because there's a rule that it needs to be more than 1 minute for your position.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, but you don't have to hedge. You have to be a good trader first. Okay, don't be a hedger. Okay, hedger. I have no respect for hedgers.
You don't like hedgers?
I don't like. Okay, you can hedge it with the free accounts that we give you from client funding. Oh, that's smart. All right. So yeah, guys, don't make me the number one trader of this trading competition. All right, I'm the one generating the mass volume. I am the one. It is me.
That's cheating. Size doesn't matter.
Size doesn't matter.
Well, size does matter.
Yeah, there we go. But guys, yeah, trade on. All right. Actually, be smart.
Also, use this opportunity to take advantage of the BingX Christmas campaign. This is the Christmas Voyage Adventure, and there are 5 events that you can participate in. One of them is the $2 million Xmas Voyage Adventure. This is rolling the dice in the games, board game style. So every time you roll the dice, there will be tasks for you to complete, and you get to win vouchers, mystery boxes, bonuses, which, by the way, boys, you have to check out. You have to make sure, okay, you claim these vouchers, because I realized, okay, wait 2 sec. I looked at the vouchers. I was like, oh, I have $600 worth of vouchers.
Yeah. Go for it.
I need to claim them now.
Yes.
Right? So Let me see. Okay. Here. My vouchers. Remember to redeem them ASAP because some of them are very time sensitive. Okay, and you get to earn many vouchers for free. All here. There's also the solo trading competition. This just started today. You can still sign up and trade in the competition. There will be 2 phases. Phase 1 started tomorrow. Sorry, you can still sign up today. The competition will start tomorrow, December 17th. For phase 1 will end on December 23rd. Phase 2 will start on December 24th. Will end on December 30th. This one is a $2 million prize pool. Top prize including 568,000 USDT. Okay, so and also, okay, if you really want to do the bare minimum, Christmas airdrop day, you only need to trade 1 USDT futures trading volume worth on December 24th. Okay, for a chance to win a share of the $1 million prize pool of the Christmas airdrop day. Okay, so December 24th, mark that on your calendar. Minimum $1 of trading volume on perpetuals for BTC.
You can do this, guys. $1.
You can do this, okay?
$1.
You can do this.
Nice.
And just get a share of the $1 million prize pool. Very competitive, very hot, and usually at Christmas people just win these.
Yeah,
Big deal, right?
Why not? Sorry, I was just putting in. I'm putting in a last minute, just in case, buy order. So we'll see.
Oh, you're buying? Where are you buying?
I'm buying at
See what you got.
Ethereum at 2980. Just in case there's a flash crash, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna soak that up.
2980.
Yeah, just in case we're gonna crash. Just in case we have a flash
We're
crash.
at 2927.
Sorry, 2880.
Ah, 2880. Okay, boys.
Yeah.
Snipe his order.
Or go liquidate me. Either way.
2880.
Either way, I'm happy.
So 2880.
I do think we're going.
Oh, right at the wick.
Yeah.
Okay.
I wanna establish some, basic defense for us.
That's good. That's good.
It's a
Oh shit!
Basic defense.
This is the Bulls' last hope.
The Bulls' last hope.
There's a reason why Michael's name is Perma Bull. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anita Cho says, I am wondering if this is really a bear market. What do you think?
No.
It's not.
It's not. Just like, dude, bro. Like, that's not. Okay, you know.
If it's bear market, then BTC would be at like 30K.
I don't know, man. Like, I don't know why everyone's so
50K.
scared these days. What's up with these people?
Yeah, see, J2 says no bear market. No bear market.
I don't know. Like, we survived for much worse than this, and I'm literally bored saying this. Guys. Just look at that chart. Just look at that chart. You think we're in dude? It pulls back every once in a while, bro.
Yeah.
It's just like
it's just a 50% pullback. Okay, now nearly completely 100%,
Yeah.
but we're still up there. It's still not invalidated.
Still not invalidated.
Bull market scenario still not
But
invalidated.
I mean, we did have some warning signs. That is true. So we're approaching a very fearful territory. But yet again, we've seen this a million times. If you get shaken out now, I don't like. I feel like people are so polarized on crypto media. It's just humanity. We're the problem.
Prolist says it's a winter nuke market. That is so true. Look, right? BTC is digital gold. We're seeing gold pumping. You're seeing silver pumping. You're seeing stores of inflation, hedge against store of value.
That pump on silver is ridiculous.
Yeah, 64.
Oof.
Right, these are store of value, hedge against inflation. BTC is the same.
It's designed for that.
It's designed
so
for
I'm
that.
Yet again, I'm on a broken record. Why? How can I make videos if I'm making the same
Right?
content all the time? I'm like, oh Jesus, fucking Christ.
And you might be thinking to yourself, why is it like this? Why is it the complete opposite of gold and silver? Because it is a winter nuke market. After the Binance liquidation cascade on October 10th, Michael did a video about this on the Box Mining channel, Tom Lee saying it's the market makers that have a hole in their balance sheet. So why you're seeing these Bart Simpson patterns, especially this month, like look at this. It's
everywhere.
Like, this is pure market inefficiency, aka manipulation, whatever you want to call it. But it's so inefficient. It's so irrational. Welcome to crypto.
And I think that Noah has a good comment. Says gold being bought out by many institutions right now. Silver and gold being bought out by many institutions right now. And I think that is key. You can see that when something hypes up, like humans just flock to it like flies. You know, right now, yes, no one's touching Bitcoin, but that's where money is made, right? Like, it depends on where you want to make money. Like, if you want to make money buying the low and getting the selling on top, that's, you know, generally a good strategy. But you know, a lot of people, they get freaked out before that. So yet again, having that endurance to survive. Yet again, this is not a sprint; it's a marathon, right? You cannot win overnight, but over, you know, a decade, you're in good shape. You know. We watched some videos. We're like, yeah, Michael was making this video when like Bitcoin was 8K. You know, like, you know, even before that, like 1,600. Like, anyways, give me a second. I'm gonna go to the washroom real quickly. Carry this.
You gonna come back or?
I'm coming back. Sure.
Alright.
So I got gout. You know, I got gout, and I'm like drinking water like crazy.
Michael's limping. Bear market is when I arrive at box office. When you come to Hong Kong, bro, we've been talking about this for 2 years. Protolisk, aka Nick. Note is bought, not buyed. What does that mean? JRX VTC. I think I've never seen you before. Yo, welcome. Come to Discord. Link is in the description below. I got to dump the market. Literally. But yeah, you know, let's see. I still feel like for BTC, it has to correct 50% of November's price action. If you have Capo saying that this is a bear trap, you know that this is sus. I think we're seeing the market pricing in the Japan story right now, maybe. Because you know how the market is super irrational. It likes to prove people wrong. And if everyone, especially now that the story is getting hot, you're seeing the media, right? The news media, especially Web3 media, covering the Japan story. What if it's the opposite now? What if we're just seeing the dump happening now, but when Japan raises interest rates on December 19th, what if we start pumping? What if? I am hoping that will come. I'm hoping that it will come, because how much more can you sell? Who are you gonna sell it to? Let me see. CoinAnk. I want to see the order books. Oh shit. I need the other account. Wait. Large order. Yeah. Oh wait, we can still see it. Nice. Yo, hold up. Let me see. Still a lot of bids. Like, first look, the most obvious zones are here. Okay, one at 80k, then you have another at 74k. The most significant clusters. And if you want to be optimistic, it's not about where they place their orders, but the fact that they have placed this amount of money at that area. Look, 22 mil at 74k. It goes to show that there's still commitment for these players, but they're just buying BTC cheaper. It's very frustrating for us because we are, you know, maybe some of you guys have bought BTC up here, like at 100k. Or for me specifically, you know, BTC's price relates to alts, of course. If BTC is struggling, then we can forget about alts, right? And alts in the meantime still not doing well. And I remember J2 saying, Hope some alts can get a rally to new all-time high in Q1. Very difficult because 90% of the alts are 90% away from their yearly open. You know what I mean? Hey, welcome back.
Yeah.
The screen just gone again.
It's not time for Africa. It's not time yet. It's not the time for alts yet. It's time for BTC. Waka waka. Hey.
Orla says there's also a 10 a.m. US dump almost every day. Yes, they say that this is possibly Jane Street offloading, but also there are times where 10 a.m. New York it would pump to fill the inefficiencies of the Asia market. But it's not 100%, but it's almost always the case where if you see Asia dump, then New York pump. Or if Asia pump, which is more often, New York dumps.
Yeah.
Right?
They're unloading on us.
They're unloading.
The future is Asian.
What?
The future is Asian. Because we got the BTC. We gotta change the Chinese guys. Oh, hey, we got some bears from before.
Oh yeah, a long time ago.
But I think that's my last bit of wisdom, like when every taxi driver is like, yo, you talk to them, oh, BTC, it's a 4-year cycle, it's like approaching a bear market. Then you gotta think different, right? Everyone's thinking this, right? Like there's not a single soul that's not talking about 4-year cycle and some.
You think most of the people are still attached to the 4-year cycle?
Yeah, absolutely. I think they took a look at 4-year cycle. I took a look, the 50-week moving average, and that's done, guys. So yeah, I think it's time to think different. So that's my two cents here.
That's coming from a guy that says don't reinvent the wheel.
Sometimes you gotta reinvent the wheel. When it comes to social media, don't reinvent the wheel. But when it comes to trading, you gotta reinvent the wheel. Otherwise, you're not gonna win, right? Like that's dude. Yeah, we're basically approaching support.
You mean for 200? Okay.
Let's see.
200-week moving average.
No, but if you look at the charts, it's not that bad. It's not that bad, guys. Everyone overreacts. Like they think it's like the end of the world or something. It's not. Like, dude, we like if we dump further, I think we're dead. But like we basically the support held for quite a few weeks now, so it's actually not that bad. But yet again, it does look bad if you look at the 50-week moving average. But that being said, we had an amazing 50 weeks.
We did have an amazing 50 weeks.
So
count your blessings, guys.
Count your blessings. So
50.
It is what it
That is actually so true. You should trademark that quote. You should tweet it.
We had an amazing 50 weeks, boys. But yeah, I've like the last 20 weeks not so great. So last 4 weeks not so great. So I think it's okay. Alright, guys. I'm gonna peace out a little bit. Guys, come on Discord. I'll be on Discord. Chat with you guys. Alright, peace. Drink some water. Drink water, guys. There will be a day when you'll be like, yes, Michael has some words of wisdom. Drink water.
Alright, boys. Since all of you guys are here, I'm gonna be going to Philippines tomorrow, so I'm not gonna be live streaming until January. I think first week of January I'll be back to the office to live stream. So I have tried live streaming in Bali last month. Some of you guys actually tuned in. Really grateful for that. Appreciative of you guys tuning in. But I realized, holy crap, Southeast Asia Wi-Fi is not stable for live stream. It was kind of laggy, right? So of course I'm not gonna forget you guys. I will record something. Just my thoughts, some market updates, quick one, maybe like crypto style, whatever, and post it on Ron Trades on YouTube. So if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe to Ron Trades Official. It's also funny because the shorts are popping off more than our video and live. Look at this, 12,000 view for this short right here. What can I say? I'm the king of growth hacking. But now it's taking a bit of time. It's not as fast as our airdrop channel, but we're gonna make this happen, and it's good. Okay, those of you guys still sticking with us from the airdrop days. Okay? Survival of the fittest. We have how many viewers in our airdrop streams before? Like 130, 140. And then airdrop videos had like 4K, 5K views. Only 10% of them stayed. That's you, right? You're willing to become better. You're willing to become smarter. You want to win. And in 2026, we're gonna win. This is not just an ad slogan, okay? Because I am living proof that you can win in this market. I think only Anita Cho remembers this. I started YouTube live streaming 2023 Christmas. I was freaking clueless at that time, and the easiest thing to do then was airdrops, right? Okay, good. 2024 did airdrops, just endlessly grinding. Yeah, you remember the joke, right? Even when I take a shit, I played Hamster Combat, right? Or even just farm airdrops. Did very well 2024, but you know, looking back now, this is end of 2025, looking back at 2024 and what I have done this year, bro, I have learned so much. Not just on paper, not just watching videos, but I've been to events, I've been to different offices, I went to actual trading desks and talked to the people who trade there and learned what their insights are. Right? So that's why I've improved so much, but also at the same time, you know, this is just a start. And 2024 was the year of airdrops. This year, tried to keep it going the first half of the year, but you know, the industry is telling us airdrops are not profitable anymore. So we switched to trading. And especially in summer of this year, bro, fucking good, right? Like these entry models, but haven't been able to consistently have an edge for trading, but I promise you I have learned so much, and we're gonna level up even more next year, bro, and we're all gonna win together. You guys are super early right now. This goes to show you survival of the fittest. And I want to say, man, thank you. Really, thank you guys for sticking with me for the past 2 years. Really appreciate it. Sometimes I feel really touched, you know, like man, I don't want to break down crying. Fucking Protolist right here is gonna be yeah. So boys, keep grinding. Next year we're gonna be great. If you feel, you know, stressed out now, if you feel like you're at the bottom of the well, you don't know what to do, take a break. Take a break. Touch grass, spend some time with your family and friends for Christmas. And New Year, bro, we're gonna go strong. We're gonna go Remember when first when Michael's kid? I think now I look like Michael's kid. Michael getting older, dude. Bro got gout. Alright boys, take good care of yourselves. And you know, my thought on BTC is I still expect a 50% correction. Okay, I'm thinking like we gotta hit 96k before the end of this year. If we don't hit 96k by the end of this year, bro, I'm gonna eat my shoe. Alright? Okay. Alright, boys. Remember, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. Oh, yeah, forgot about that. For the client funding, okay. It's supposed to be Martin that handles this part, but I'm gonna talk to him and see how it goes. But for now, the client funding team has told us to join their Discord and submit a ticket. So I'll select 20 winners, and once 20 of you guys know that you're the winner, DM me your email, and then for now just join the client funding wallet. And if you're the winner, I think you submit a support ticket on client funding's Discord and proceed from there. Okay, so I don't know how long will that take, but don't worry, it's not gonna be gone. You guys, you know, if you've been tuning in, you've already secured yourself the client funding account. Okay, so I think we'll do it ASAP today. Or what? Do you want me to, guys? You want me to select now for client funding? Shut the fuck up. We got, how many viewers we got right now? We got 11 watching. Dude, this is more than perfect. Yeah, do it now? Okay. Let's do it. So note J2 for sure. You know what? I'm gonna type it in box trading. I'll just do the list now. Deepash as well? Okay. Deepash, are you in Discord? What's your username? And Anita, you want one? You want a client funding account? Yeah, I'm gonna write it now. Christmas giveaway. Congrats to the client funding account winners. Got Note. You want one too? Okay. Bro really is my Discord name? Really? Okay. Oh, J2? J2 still here? Give one to J2 for sure, for sure. Bro's been sticking with me after Alpha Drop got banned. Send. You want BetaBot? Is BetaBot here? Okay, BetaBot got one. Ooh, Cambodia Pocket Guide. Never seen you before. Welcome. I think next year is the year of the AI agent trading bots. Still got a long way to go, I guess. Zeno and Llama? Oh, yes, for sure. For sure, for sure. Zeno. Llama. What about Prolis? Are you in? You are in, right? Pause. Give Prolis one also. Yeah. What we got, man? We got so many spare ones. Oh, right. Project Matrix as well. Man. 7. We only got 7 here. Let's see. Pablo, you want one? Is Pablo here? Yep. Any more? Any more? Any more? Any more? Dixie, give one to Dixie. What else? We got 10 more. What do we do with the 10? What do we do with the 10? All good, all good. So for client funding, you need to set up a Bybit demo account. I'll post the full guide on how to set up the API key, but it's super, super easy. I'll do it here. Random spin from DC members? Okay, for sure. Let's do that. So we got 10. Congrats to this client funding account winners. We got 10 more available accounts. So giveaway. We'll do a raffle draw soon. Stay tuned. Alright. So, Note, Deepash, J2, BetaBot, Zeno, Llama, Protolis, Damit Limbo, Pablo, Dixie, just DM me your email, and what you should do right now is join. Okay, this is your first call to action. Join client funding and submit a ticket saying you won the giveaway from our community, from Box Mining or Ron Trades, and do it. Oh, Modern Copium too. Sam as well. Cambodia Pocket Guide. Sure, sure, sure. We got 3 more. I mean, we got 7 more. We got 3 now. Okay. What's your usernames? All 3 of you. Cambo Cleave. Okay, okay. Cambo Cleave. Alright, 7 more. 7 more. Okay. Cambo Cleave. Modern Copium, are you here? What's your Discord name? Modern Copium. Nah. Sam as well. Sam, are you here? This you, I assume. Sam647A. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, DM me your email, the one you'll use to register for the client funding. Telegram, my email. Not just DM me on Discord, bro. It's faster. I need to send this list to the team. And then Bibbler Bites. Doesn't seem like you're here, Modern Copium. Come Discord. Link is in the description below. And then I'll give you the @. Okay, we got Do it tomorrow? Alright, no problem. No problem. Zladi. Okay. We got 6 more. Jade. Were you with us, Jade, since last year? Alpha Drop? I remember seeing that name. I remember. Jade XBTC. Okay. Bibbler Bites. Okay. Yeah, so join Client Funding Discord. Link is also in the description. If you're watching here on YouTube, it's down below. Right here. Yeah. Join Client Funding Discord for giveaway. So go there, submit a ticket, and then I'll let the team know as well. Alright. Oh my god, is Bibbler still here? Logs. Bibbler Royce just joined. Alright, we got Bibbler. Unfair giveaway? What do you mean? Box mine active done all and not winning? What you mean? What do you mean unfair giveaway? This is for you guys. First come, first serve on the live stream. Where are we again? Giveaway. Okay. It's just cleaner to do this way. No live trading today? Nah, I don't think so. It's 420. Probably not now, unless if price gets rejected here again or absorbs back here again. I'll just play the end ranges again. When you flying tomorrow, I'll be flying tomorrow. I'll be back on the first week of January. Okay, so we got 14. Okay, 6 more spots. Raffle draw soon. Okay, boys, take good care of yourselves. My name is Ron. Merry Christmas, shining out, and a Happy New Year.